My name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Before we get to my video, I would like to do a disclaimer. All products mentioned and used in my videos are not sponsored. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Thank you. Today I'm going to be making meatloaf. I'm going to be using ground beef, oatmeal, ketchup for the top, egg, onion, garlic, V8 juice, salt, and pepper. On to the recipe. I'm doing a big meatloaf, so it's 3 pounds of meat, 1 cup of oats. For now, we might have to add more later on. 1 egg beaten, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a cup of V8 juice. So all we're going to do is mix it all together. That's the oats, salt and pepper, the onions and garlic, the beaten egg, and the cup of V8. Now all we do is mix it together. Yes, it's messy mixing it together, but you want to make sure it's totally mixed together. If we have to add more to it, we will add more to it. But we're just going to mix everything together really good. For my off-the-grid cooking unit, you will need a 9x13 metal cake pan, cooling rack, tea light candles, a small fry pan, and a lid to go on the fry pan. The first thing you're going to do is take this off and make sure the wicks are up and light them. I lit the candles so we can start cooking. Now I'll put the pan up here, and I'll put the lid on it. I'll check on it in a little bit. Now I'm going to put a pat of butter there. It's supposed to be a non-stick pan, and it's pretty good at that. It really is. Now, what I will do is I'll get my 1 patty and put it in there. And put the lid on top of it. And let it cook. I'll check on it in 5 minutes. When I flip it, I'll put some ketchup on it. I am venturing into new territory. I never made meatloaf off the grid before. But if you form it in a patty, it should cook quicker. Plus the fact you can actually use this in the summertime if you don't want to turn on your oven. But you can actually do it on top of the stove in a fry pan too and just fry it up. That way you don't have to get your house all hot. Right now it's a hot day here, so I don't want to turn the oven on. So I'm doing it off the grid. I'm going to check on it to see. You can see it's cooking. Now I'm going to flip it over. Let it cook on that side. And now I'll get the ketchup and put some ketchup on it. Because I like ketchup on meatloaf. That way it has my ketchup on it. I'll put the cover on it again. It's cooking nicely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread the ketchup out over all of it. So it has it covered with ketchup. There we go. Now I clean my spatula. You can see it's cooking good. Yes, you can fry stuff. I fried an egg last time, now I'm doing meatloaf this time. I'll just put the lid on it, let it steam a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'll flip it over and put some ketchup on the other side. Cooking good. I like a lot of ketchup on it. I'll cook that side with ketchup on it too. Give it a couple minutes to cook on that side with the ketchup on it. Now it's time to serve it. So now I'll just put it There we go. And it's done. So now, it's done. I'll bring you around for the final view. That is what it looks like when it's done. Now I'll put the top on it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.